Overview. The American Revolution was a great landmark in the history of the world. It had far-reaching effects. It was a first-ever organized movement in history in which people asserted the right to rule themselves. This was a severe blow to the theory of absolute monarchy. It was thus an inspiration to all the nations who wanted to overthrow foreign rule and win freedom for themselves. This political revolution led to the birth of the United States of America, USA. Colonies. America was discovered by Columbus in the 15th century. From that period onwards, European countries like from England, France, Holland, and Spain started acquiring colonies. As people from these countries began to settle in America, their settlements sprung up. England set up 13 colonies along the Atlantic coast of America. The English settlers were carrying on a profitable trade from here in the tea, sugar, grain, and wool. These colonies were under the control of English government. Each colony was separate from one another. They had no political connections with each other. The British followed a policy of exploitation towards these colonies. The colonies did not have any say in matters of trade, economic development, and levying of taxes. However, these colonies elected their government, enacted laws, and managed their own affairs. With the passage of time, due to unfavorable policies, it finally led to the American War of Independence. Causes. In Europe, the 7 Years' War, CE 1756 to 1763, between England and France ended with the Treaty of Paris, CE 1763. It led to the withdrawal of France from North America and India. Britain wanted to recover all the war expenses from the North American colonies in the form of increased taxes. The British government felt that colonists had received protection during war, hence they should share the financial burden of the war. The English were of the view that colonies exited from the mother country, hence they exploited the colonies economically and restrictions were imposed on their trade and industries. The Navigation Acts gave monopoly to the English ships to carry goods to and fro from the colonies. The colonies could import goods only from England and goods were to be exported only to England. From where they were to be shipped to other places, this restricted the freedom of colonies to trade and this was strongly resented by the colonies. In CE 1765, the Stamp Act was passed. It required all legal documents to bear a revenue stamp. It increases the duties on all legal and commercial transactions. The British made it clear to the colonies from that the amount that would be collected would be spent on the defense of the colonies, the natives of North America. The colonies protested against the act as they believed that the British government had no right to tax them and the taxes were unjust as British Parliament did not have any representatives from the colonies, so it did not have the right to levy taxes either. The colonies demanded the representation in the Parliament before any tax could be imposed on them. They coined the slogan, "No taxation without representation." When the uprising turned violent, the English repealed the Stamp Act. However, the English maintained that it still had the right to collect taxes from the colonists. The settlers in the colonies were inspired by the writings of the English and the French philosophers who stood for rights, freedom, and equality for men, which no government could take away. American philosopher Jefferson inspired people to rise against unjust rule of the England and become independent. In 1767, Britain introduced the Revenue Act. By this, new taxes were imposed on consumer goods like tea, paper glass, and paint which were imported into the colonies. The colonists rebelled against it, hence all the taxes were withdrawn. Only a nominal tax was charged on tea simply to assert the right to import. The government's decision to tax tea was severely criticized by the colonists. Fact: a Constitution Convention was called at Philadelphia in 1787 CE to frame a new constitution which came into effect in 1789 CE. The Constitution established a republican form of government. It set up a federal system. Jefferson managed to introduce a Bill of Rights to the federal constitution. Beginning in CE 1773, when a cargo of tea arrived at the Boston port, a few colonists dressed up as Red Indians boarded a ship and dumped the crates of tea into the sea. This incident is known as the Boston Tea Party. The British government regarded it as an open defiance of its authority. In CE 1774, representatives of all the colonies met at Philadelphia and appealed to the king not to tax the colonies and end the restrictions on trade. The British government regarded it as an act of defiance and did not accept any of the demands. At this, the colonists declared a war against England, CE 1775. The representatives of 13 colonies met for the first time at Philadelphia and on 4th of July 1776 adopted the Declaration of Independence written by Thomas Jefferson. The declaration stated that all men are born equal and cannot be denied the right to life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. The declaration also asserted the right of the colonies to be free and independent. The Declaration of Independence is significant as it was a great blow to imperialism. It ushered in an era of nationalism and democracy, which encouraged revolutionary movements throughout the world. It asserted the right of the people to form their own government. Birth of USA. The American War of Independence continued for 8 years. It ended in CE 1781. The colonies which emerged victorious were led in the war by George Washington, who was a great general who routed the British armies. The English were forced to sign the Treaty of Versailles in 1783, by which English recognized the independence of the 13 former colonies, and a new state known as the United States of America came into existence. In CE 1789, a new constitution came into force. It declared America a republic to be headed by an elected president. The 13 colonies joined together to form a federation. This gave birth to a new federal republic, which was first of its kind. This federal republic spread the idea of democracy as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. It was based on the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity. An important part of the Constitution was the Bill of Rights. It assured the people justices under the law, freedom of press, religion, and speech. Importance of the American War of Independence. The success of the American Revolution encouraged the revolutionary forces in other countries. It led to a number of revolutions and national movements in other parts of the world. It signified the end of foreign rules as the 13 colonies got their independence. It showed to the world that every colony or nation has the full right to throw the tyrannical imperialist power and set up its own government. It started the practice of giving the people a written constitution. Many countries of the world followed the Americans and came to have written constitution. The new American state gave the world a democratic republic. In a democratic setup, the power of people recognized as government was by the people, of the people, for the people, and it was based on the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity. In republic form of government, the elected head of the state was the president with a fixed tenure. Further, they adopted a federal constitution in which they recognized a central authority for common interest, but at the same time preserved the rights of the states. The revolution marked the birth of USA as the world's first democratic republic, which in course of time became the richest country in the world and achieved the status of a superpower. Fact: on 4th July 1776, Americans declared freedom. George Washington became the supreme commander of army.